So this right here is the XUV 700 AX5. And let me tell you something. It is the most value for money variant in the entire XUV 700 line. First of all, have a look at the front. This beautiful bold grille. You get this grille in every single variant of the XUV 700. Unlike the Scorpio N, where you get this is the LEDs. This is the complete LED taillight setup. In the base variants, you get halogen, and in the AX5 Select, you get those LED DRLs as well. But this is the variant where you start getting the complete LED setup. So in this variant, you get 17-inch diamond cut alloys. Every single variant gets those pop-out door handles. Meanwhile, the AX7 Luxury gets them electric. Everything else gets manual. So now let's move towards the back. So this is the back of the XUV 700. Here you get a rear wiper washer and defogger. Also, you get the XUV 700 badging, AX5 written here clearly, the new Mahindra logo, and that's pretty much it. By the way, this is aftermarket. This variant is a diesel manual, so you get a 57-liter diesel tank along with this washer liquid. Compared to the petrol, the diesel gives you a mileage of around 17 kilometers a liter. So this car gets a 2.2-liter M-Hawk engine which produces 182 bhp of power and 450 Newton meters of torque. MX variant gets only 153 bhp of power. Meanwhile, all the Adrenox variants get 182 bhp. So now let's see the interiors of this car. As you can see here, the AX5 variant gets cruise control. These are the media infotainment controls. This is the horn. It does not work. So you get 10.25-inch two screens. One of them is the infotainment. The other is the digital instrument cluster. Here you get a manual parking brake. The AX7 Luxury gets electronic parking brake. This is a manual gearbox because obviously this is a manual car. You get some storage here, a cup holder and a place to store your keys. This is not a wireless charger. You get those manual AC controls, AC vents, start stop button. So now let's have a look at this upper console here. Here you get a sunglass holder. This button is for the light over here. This button for the light over here. This is the SOS button. This is, I don't know what this is. This is the ambient lighting feature. And this other controls for the screen.
And this is the panoramic sunroof.
And as you can see, this is the panoramic sunroof which you get in every single Adrenox variant except for the MX. So this can turn off as well.
And check. Sunroof here.
It's very smooth and it's absolutely massive. So it can turn off as well. So in conclusion, if you love driving cars, want a good mileage and want raw power but don't have 4 or 5 lakhs lying around you, then the XUV 700 AX5 is the variant for you. Please like, share and subscribe to the video. Thank you everyone.